All of you are wicked.
trendybeats.com.
On the beats, it's Messman.
Dogu so no maba Imanando chabiale sinanye mene maunde Abuzo nyo chabiale sinanya bananzo nanya
Umada clock it! Clock it! Clock it! I have with me a beautiful Umada from the amazing kingdom in our Igbo land. Ada, we know your name.
Favor.
Favor, so which culture are you representing?
Igbo.
Igbo. So where in Igbo land are you from?
I'm from Abia State.
Where in Abia?
Actually, Umwa Locha.
Beautiful.
Not.
Wow, wonderful. So can you just give electricity for the camera? Let them see the attire of the Igbo land. Ankara for that matter. Look at the stars. The stars are shining. Okay, so now next question. You have 30 seconds to ruin a first date. What would you do?
To ruin a first date? What will I do? I'm not sure.
Oosh, damn, that's bad. That's ouch. Girl, you. Oh Lord, I reserve my comment. Okay, so next question. Your boyfriend gives you a blender as a birthday gift. What will be your reaction?
I'll take it to it.
Honestly?
Yeah, I will.
You will. Okay, so next question. Mama puts a restaurant. Restaurant. So we're in the Igbo heritage. So what's your favorite local dish?
For me, I actually like fufu and egusi.
Hold it like this. Bam! Powerful woman. Thank you so much, Favor. Nice to meet you. Bye.
My name is Nwamazi Prince Charles Okereke.
Wow, so you look good, sir. What tribe are you representing?
Igbo, actually. I'm representing the Igbo. I'm from Arochukwu Kingdom in Abia State.
Wow. So, sir, can we just take a look at the regular attire? So give us a 360 for the camera. A 360 for the camera. That is it. Oh my goodness. What can you go? Okay. What can you ma? Odogu parara. I don't know what they call it. Okay, so now the next question. You have 30 seconds to ruin a first date. What would you do?
Probably speak Igbo to her the first date, something like that, yeah.
I should go.
Igbo language. Yes, exactly.
Okay, next question. Your girlfriend gives you a Nokia Touch as a birthday gift. What would be your reaction?
I would be happy, I would thank her, I'll be grateful. Depends if I know like it's not much for her. Then I'll pray. A gift is a gift, so I'll be appreciative.
You appreciate it?
Yes.
Okay, mama puts or restaurant?
Depends on the food.
What kind of food?
English meals, restaurants, local meals.
Okay, so what's your favorite local dish?
It's actually abacha and nkwobi.
Abacha and nkwobi. Powerful man. Well done. Thank you very much. Tochi, and you are?
Samdi.
So you guys, so is this your first event outdoor in Enugu?
No.
What about you?
No.
Okay, I got with me girls that go out a lot. Okay. Clock it. All right, so girl Tochi, over to you. You have 30 seconds to ruin a first date. What would you do?
To what?
To ruin a first date. What would you do?
I'll eat bone. No, I'll eat bone now.
Sandy, what about you? You have 30 seconds to ruin a first date. What would you do?
Oh, I'll act like a mad woman.
You act like a mad woman. These girls are mean. They are very mean. Second question, Tochi. Your boyfriend gives you a blender as a birthday gift. What would be your reaction?
For what? I'll blend his heart.
Sandy, your boyfriend gives you a blender as a birthday gift. What would be your reaction?
That's to blend chicken, oh. All those videos that they used to show on Insta.
You use the blender and blend it.
I'm blend chicken.
You're a hardworking woman. Cultural. My next question: Mama puts a restaurant.
Mama puts, please. Make I calm down, chop food where.
What is your favorite? So we're in a small church festival, Igbo culture. What is your favorite local dish?
Fio. Our native food, eburebu soup. Eburebu soup. Vegetable soup. That's the English name, but it's eburebu we call it.
Oh, I see. Thank you very much, Tochi and Sandy.
Thank you.
Clack it.